Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my take on the coffee beverage bar collaboration. Now, I wanted to quickly jump on and thank the host and the co-host. Now, the host is the lovely Kimberly Davis, and her channel is Diva Designing on a Dime. Her co-host is Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, I've left links to both of these ladies' channels down in my description box, as well as a link to the playlist. And I tell you what, if I were you, I'd go down and pay all three links, their channels as well as the playlist, a visit today. I promise you, you won't regret it. Also, if you're not a member of this channel yet, I hope that you'll subscribe today. I hope that you'll hit that notification bell at least 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.